Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate emails in Mozilla Thunderbird. If you've noticed the same email appearing multiple times in your inbox or folders, this can clutter your workspace and make it harder to stay organized. Fortunately, there's a simple solution that will help you clean things up quickly. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started by opening your Thunderbird application. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your menu button that gives you access to various settings and features. Click on those three lines, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add-ons and Themes. This section is where you can enhance Thunderbird's functionality by installing various extensions that add useful capabilities to your email client. Now you'll find yourself in the Add-ons Manager. At the top of this page, there's a search bar where you can look for specific extensions. Go ahead and type in Remove Duplicates and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will search through Thunderbird's add-on library for tools specifically designed to identify and remove duplicate emails from your folders. The search results will display the Remove Duplicates extension. Look for the button that says Add to Thunderbird and click on it. This initiates the installation process for the extension. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to install this add-on. Click Add to proceed with the installation. The extension will download and install automatically, which should only take a moment. Once it's installed, Thunderbird now has the capability to scan your folders for duplicate emails. Now it's time to put this extension to work. Go back to your main email view in Thunderbird. Navigate through your folder list on the left side and find the specific folder where you suspect duplicate emails are lurking. This could be your inbox, sent folder, or any custom folder you've created. Once you've located the folder you want to clean up, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Remove Duplicates. The extension will now scan through that folder, identify any emails that appear more than once, and remove the duplicates automatically, leaving you with just one clean copy of each message. And that's it. Your selected folder is now free of duplicate emails, making your Thunderbird inbox much cleaner and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.